In this video, I'll be showing you step by step how to buy or trade oil inside of Interactive Brokers. It is super easy to do. So the first thing you need to do is open up Interactive Brokers like you usually would. Then from here, it should bring something like this once you get inside of the dashboard. Now from here, you'll need to go up to the search bar, and then from here, you'll need to find the specific oil ETF that you want to purchase. So for this tutorial, I'm just going to choose USO, or the United States Oil Fund LP. Then from here, you'll just need to click on it, and from here, you'll be able to see the charts of this specific ETF. Once from here, you'll need to go over to the buy order over here, and then from here you'll need to choose the quantity, where you can choose anything between 100 or 1000, whatever share or USD amount that you want to purchase. So for this tutorial, let's just choose 4 shares, and from here you'll need to choose whether or not it should be a limit order, a market order, or a stop order. From here you can choose the limit price down here if you want to do that, and you can add and touch order if you want to do that. Now from here, once you get all done, you'll need to click submit buy order. From here you'll be able to see the order transaction, and from here you'll just need to click transmit the order. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see down here in the right hand corner that the order has been submitted and eventually order filled, and then from here you'll be able to see it over here in the portfolio under positions. But that's how you do it. If you have any questions about it, please leave them down in the comment section below, and I'll try my best to answer them as quickly as possible. See ya!